Hello friends, Tony here. On the yesterday video about the Laravel hybridly inertia competitor, I had some comments, and this one which has 3 likes. Also, I want to make a video about this because I think this has a very good question. I am afraid to see this new competitor because recently we saw Splade. So Splade.dev, I have created a video about that, a full tutorial about Splade. And now the developer decided not to develop it anymore. So can you find more about the developer team behind this competitor? How is it possible to maintain it like Inertia? Also, if you feel this is a worth learning thing, please make a video course on this. Okay, now I make a video about hybridly because I found this is a new tool to build projects with Laravel, and because I make a Laravel video, I thought this will be cool. Of course, I make some searches, and I'm going to show you, and also I'm going to show you the Splade. So let's open here. Let's start with the Splade first. So Splade allow you to build single-page applications with the Laravel Blade templating engine while still having the full power of Vue.js. Was very good and brought to you by Proton Media. Then we have this blog post, and you can find the URL here, and or search on Google and go and read all these blog posts, but I'm going just to read some of this. So the problem with Splade version 1. So 2 major things are bothering me with Splade's current architecture: customization and expandability. Of course, there are other concerns, but these 2 things keep me up at night. And you can read about that. Now, how can this be solved? Splade Core is at that end. So Splade Core works beautifully in most cases. It's exactly what I was looking for, and I was motivated to rebuild all Splade version 1 features upon Splade Core. But as I got to the more complex components and situations, I saw the downside. It got really complex, and not everything is even working correctly. Particularly, the concept of slots is hard to tackle as Blade and Vue handle them differently. So I'm parsing JavaScript in PHP, messing around with the Blade compiler, automatically generating Vue components, building a Vite plugin to keep everything in sync, providing a tricky skeleton for others to develop and release components, and this list goes on and on. Each feature is well tested, but this beast is unmaintainable and super hard to debug, so I can't go on like this. Okay, so what's next? Where does this leave Splade? I've thought of a few options. As Splade Core is dropped, so is Splade version 2. I could rethink version 3 with a new architecture, another variant of Splade Core, but I fell into the same trap. There's no guarantee it will work out this time, so there will be no version 2 or version 3. You can read more here. Both inertia and livewire grow in adoption. And the conclusion: I probably need another week of research. I'm surprised you made it this far, but here's a short list of what I found out and decided this week. Splade Core will be abandoned. It has no feature, and that's what we need. So the Splade Core will be abandoned and it has no feature. Now let's go to hybridly, and let's see. Hybridly introduction. Hybridly's purpose is to drastically improve the productivity and the developer experience of writing interactive applications using Laravel and Vue. You can read more here, so using a protocol similar to Inertia and so on. We have differences with Inertia, but what I'm going to do is to scroll down so you can read more, or so you can go here to comparison page, but I want to answer the question we had here. And here we have some questions. And what's the goal of this project? Hybridly aims to provide the best developer experience possible when using Laravel, Vue, and Vite. Over time, the goal is to become closer to what Nux 3 currently is in terms of development experience. Now, why fork Inertia instead of contributing, and when should I use hybridly instead of Inertia? Inertia is popular and sponsored by Laravel. It's the safe option, and here we have the answer. So Inertia is popular and sponsored by Laravel. It's also the safe option. Hybridly is moving faster and exists because Inertia has issues and different philosophy. Now choose Inertia for better community support, as you can see in here, and hybridly if you value developer experience more at the expense of a smaller community. Can I use hybridly with other frameworks than Laravel and Vue? Yeah, the core of hybridly is framework agnostic, just like Inertia, but there is no plan for an official adapter other than Laravel and Vue. So only with Laravel and Vue. And here we have the final question. Will hybridly be properly maintained? I am primarily building hybridly for myself. I am actively using it and improving it for both personal and professional projects, but it will live as long as I am a developer and I didn't find a better way to build web applications. So I think if you want to build projects with Laravel and Vue, just go with Inertia because this may not have a future. This may be the same as the split. Okay, friends, that's it all about this video, what I wanted to show you, and I hope I have explained you what you wanted in this comment. Okay, now if you like such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.